In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area.
Instructions for using the Knowledgebase Management System script.
Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. Mailer settings. Select the type of mailer you want to use, regular PHP mailer or advanced SMTP mailer. Enter the banner advertisement selling price. Enter your payment processor's details below. If you don't want to use any of these payment processors, then just use 0 for that. You can use this section to put your site in maintenance mode, and in this period, only admin will be able to access the admin area. All other features will be disabled. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. Email validation service. Email Court is a web application that can verify if an email address is real or fake. You can validate the email addresses of new members joining your website using Email Court API. Send push notifications. Push notifications allow you to stay connected with all desktop and mobile app users with great ease to provide your customers with the best experience so that they can choose your services over and over again. Feedback and exit surveys. Take advantage of real-time data collection via digital surveys, and see your business bloom with real-time reports and unlimited data. List Management Service. Easily manage your list without using your own server resources to do mailing to your members. Mobile app. Powerful web-based app builder tool for your business, that will allow you to turn your website into a seamless, user-friendly Android app. Contests. Contest Conclave is a web application that can allow you to incentivize your website with various contests to increase traffic flow and win cash and prizes while promoting contests to your members at your website.
Categories. Here you can add, view, or delete the categories in your Knowledgebase system. Add articles. From here, you can add articles to your Knowledgebase system covering the topics of the required category. Manage articles. From here, you can view, update, or delete the details of any article you have added.
Approved banners. This section lets you track the banners submitted by members, and you can track the details of each banner. Pending banners. This section will show you the list of all pending banners, and you can approve them after checking the contents. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.